Welcome to our channel. If you experience service disruptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to request refunds or credits for outages and failures. Step 1. Document the service problems thoroughly, including dates, times, duration, and specific issues. Take screenshots of error messages, speed tests, and network status indicators. Step 2. Check your carrier's service level agreement and compensation policies. Some carriers automatically credit accounts for extended outages, while others require you to request refunds. Step 3. Verify the outage was carrier-related rather than your device or local issues. Test with multiple devices or SIM cards to confirm the problem was network-wide. Step 4. Contact customer service as soon as possible after service is restored. Explain the outage details and request appropriate credits for the service disruption period. Step 5. Calculate fair compensation based on your monthly plan cost. For a day-long outage with a $60 monthly plan, request a $2 credit representing the day of unusable service. Step 6. Escalate to supervisors or attention specialists if initial representatives refuse credits. Higher-level staff typically have more authority to issue compensation for service failures. Step 7. Reference regulatory requirements for service reliability and compensation. Point out that carriers have obligations to provide reliable service customers pay for. Step 8. File complaints with the FCC or state regulatory agencies if carriers refuse reasonable compensation. Include all documentation of outages and your requests for credits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.